Welcome to the Mind Flowic. Let's start today's session. Begin by finding a comfortable and quiet place to sit or lie down. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow any tension in your body to release. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel yourself becoming more and more relaxed. Now, imagine yourself standing in front of a glass elevator. The doors open and you step inside. You notice the soft, plush carpet under your feet and the gentle hum of the elevator as it begins to move. As you rise higher and higher in the elevator, you feel a sense of anticipation growing within you. You can see the world below you, getting smaller and smaller as you continue to ascend. Finally, the elevator reaches the top floor, and the doors open to reveal a balcony. Step out onto the balcony and feel the warm sun on your skin. Look around and notice the beauty of your surroundings. The view is breathtaking, and you feel a sense of peace wash over you. Now, in the distance, you see a hot air balloon approaching. Watch as it gets closer and closer until it's right in front of you. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, step inside the basket of the balloon. The balloon begins to rise, slowly at first, and then faster and faster. You feel the wind in your hair and the sun on your face. You see the world spread out below you, and you feel a sense of freedom and exhilaration. As the balloon rises higher and higher, you begin to feel a sense of accomplishment. You are facing your fear of heights and conquering it. Feel the pride and joy that come with this accomplishment. Take a few moments to enjoy the view, to feel the sun on your face and the wind in your hair. When you're ready, slowly return to your body and open your eyes. Remember, you can return to this visualization whenever you need to face your fear of heights. You are strong and capable, and you can overcome any challenge that comes your way.